Ford EcoSport EcoBoost gasoline engine 2.0 L year 2020. Capacities and specifications. Asterisk engine oil fill capacity including the oil filter capacity 4.3 liter and engine oil SEA 5W20. An oil that displays this symbol conforms to current engine, emission system and fuel economy performance standards of the International Lubricant Specification Advisory Committee, ILSAC. We recommend Motorcraft motor oil for your vehicle. If Motorcraft oil is not available, use motor oils of the recommended viscosity grade that meet API-SN requirements and display the API certification mark for gasoline engines. Do not use oil labeled with API-SN service category unless the label also displays the API certification mark. Note: do not use more than 1 liter of the alternative engine oil between scheduled service intervals. If you do not use oil and fluid that meets the defined specification and viscosity grade, it could result in a component damage that your vehicle warranty does not cover, a longer engine cranking periods, increased emission levels, a reduced engine performance, a reduced fuel economy, a reduced brake performance, alternative engine oil for extremely cold climates. To improve engine cold start performance, we recommend that you use the following alternative engine oil in extremely cold climates, where the ambient temperature reaches -22.0 degrees Fahrenheit or -30 degrees Celsius or below. Automatic transmissions that require Merkin LV transmission fluid should only use Merkin LV transmission fluid. Automatic transmission fluid fill capacity 9.3 liter. Coolant that require Motorcraft orange pre-diluted antifreeze. Engine coolant fill capacity 7 liter. Brake fluid that require Motorcraft DOT4 LV high performance. Rear axle lubricant Motorcraft, say E80W, 90 Premium. Thank you for watching videos. Please subscribe my channel and follow for more videos.